So when you have these complex cross-border situations, right? How do you, and India is not part of the Hague, right? How do you typically go about solving such difficult cases? Especially when I guess India still has the tender years for ch young children, right? And that doesn't exist anymore here in the United States.
That is only a tip of the iceberg, honestly.
Okay.
There's so many other procedural challenges, the timeline issues, everything combined. If somebody reaches out to me before something like this has happened, I would say prevent, prevent, and prevent. Because once the child is in India, all bets are off. It's not about India. It's about any other such country, even with Hague countries. Once the child has left the United States, the chances of the child returning become that much slimmer. But if it is a non-Hague country, then all bets are off. So if if there is a parent that is hearing this podcast and has a question and is worried that their spouse might take off with the child to another country, the first and the foremost action is to talk to a internationally family law oriented lawyer immediately. Try to prevent it from happening. How? You need a court order from the specific jurisdiction wherever you are, preventing the child from getting on a plane and leaving the country. You need to register your child on Prevent Abduction program. There's another program, and people often confuse it with Prevent Abduction. That is Passport Issuance Alert Program. It's completely different, but also helpful. You should also maybe look for terms where you can secure the passport with the judge or the court or the attorney concerned. Don't have the passports within one of your reaches if you're that concerned about it. Look out for red flags: selling of property, quitting job, sudden changes in routine, all that. And if you're already concerned, then these are certainly very big red flags. If the other parent doesn't have any ties to the US anymore other than you, that sometimes they cut ties, sometimes they don't have it to begin with. If they've threatened even during a heated argument that they're going to leave and they're going to take their child with them, that's another very, very big red flag. So keep an eye out and don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait until the child is on the plane. Then things become very, very difficult after that.